everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Vostro 3470 or 3471 SFF desktop. We're talking about the ATEC 32GB kit, specifically designed to be compatible with these Dell models. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, more RAM might be the answer. This kit includes two 16GB DDR4 DIMMs, bringing your total memory up to a substantial 32GB. That's a significant boost that can make a noticeable difference in everyday tasks and more intensive workloads. The ATEC modules run at 2666 MHz, which is the sweet spot for many systems, and they adhere to the PC4-21300 standard. They're also non-ECC unbuffered, which is typical for desktop memory. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home, even without being a tech expert. Of course, always refer to your system's manual for the correct seating and channel configurations. One of the key features is that these modules operate at 1.2V, adhering to the JEDEC DDR4 standard. This ensures compatibility and efficient power consumption. ATEC also puts these modules through rigorous quality control testing, which inspires confidence in their reliability and performance. The upgrade aims to improve your system's responsiveness, allowing it to handle more tasks simultaneously without bogging down. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants a smoother computing experience, this RAM upgrade could be a worthwhile investment. Finally, ATEC backs this kit with a limited lifetime warranty, which is always reassuring. They also have a tech support team available to assist you before and after your purchase, should you have any questions or concerns. So if you're looking to boost the performance of your Dell Vostro 3470 or 3471, the ATEC 32GB kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.